I would like to talk about the digital transformation in Faurecia. Basically, we focus on three major areas. The first is we have 300 plants and thousands of machines connected to a data lake. So we capture a lot of data, and with this data we are creating now means to explore the smart manufacturing and predictive maintenance models. But not only these data, we also capture the quality of our products, the end-of-line products. So we take a picture of the quality of a product and we identify wrinkles or we identify issues from a quality standpoint of view. And then we guide our robots to help reducing those issues and then create the perfect product. So first is the smart automation or the efficiency of our manufacturing. The second topic we are focusing on is creating new revenue streams by focusing on new value spaces. You know, we're creating products and our products will be equipped with sensors. And once we have put sensors into our products, we capture data. And all of a sudden we create a value and a meaning out of these data, and we create a digital experience of users or customers who use our products later. And this has now two interesting implications. The one is we learn how people use our products. That will help us to create new products. And the second implication is we understand what is the experience or a value to our end customers. What are digital services we are going to create for our customers? Third is we focus on our organization. So talking about the digital transformation of Faurecia is also talking about to transform the organization to the new. So it's not about only creating new products and only creating digital services. It's also to help the organization to understand all the concepts, to understand all the competencies and help the organization to shift. So we are investing in massive open online courses in our Faurecia University, and we help people to understand what is the concept behind blockchain, what is the concept behind AI, what is the concept behind big data and capturing all this data and making use of data. The digital transformation, we are well advanced. We started many years ago by creating the infrastructure, but in 2 years now, with a partnership with Accenture that helps us to accelerate the digital transformation. We have created, together with Accenture, what we call the Digital Services Factory. This is a central organization that helps to bundle all competences in the area of artificial intelligence and in the area of big data to help our own product development teams and our own internal shop floor operations to embrace the new. And Accenture and Faurecia together, we are creating basically the digital transformation of Faurecia.